Thousands of individuals have been receiving US dollars, $500, and through this, they have done a lot of things in their community. Do you know you can get $500 free of charge? And we're not talking about one person or two people, we're talking about lots of people. If you're looking for a way to get financial support for your community project, education, or even a small business idea, then this platform is right for you with this golden grant that has a beautiful ticket for you. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through which you can apply for this grant. This grant is called Giving Joy. Giving Joy is one of the grants that gives without any strings attached, without anything that they will ask in return. It is alone, it is not going to ask you any collateral, anything that put there for application. So whoever is going to be asked anything, no, that is a wrong platform. Today we're going to jump into this grant, and I'll share with you different things of what exactly is Giving Joy is, how can you access this, when, and at the same time we are going to see good practices. Welcome back, money makers and money seekers. I hope you knew that there are individuals out there who are getting thousands of grants through this joy giving platform. So let's dive in and see what exactly is joy giving platform. But before that, I would love to say thank you for everybody that has been in our space. Thank you who has allowed us to be on your screens every time, every day. Immaculate Show is a platform that brings you positive things, as in terms of mindset, and also spreads love by giving you tips and way forward of how you can be financial free. In this video, we are going to first see exactly what is joy giving or Giving Joy grant. The Giving Joy grant is a unique program designed to support women worldwide who are making a difference in their community. Whether you're starting a business, you're launching a community project, or you're pursuing education, this grant offers a financial support to help you achieve your goals. And the best part, this grant ranges from $500 to $1,000. You guys, doesn't it sound good? Thousands of individuals have already received this grant, and it's open for application in the next year round. We are going to be seeing how many sessions are there for you to apply this grant. They have two sessions in this, and we'll be seeing it shortly. So if you're passionate about your project and need financial backing, this is an opportunity you don't want to miss it at all. So let's see how you can apply for this beautiful grant. This beautiful grant is accessible for everybody. As I told you, grants can be given by individual, can be given by organization, or can be given by government. And this one is being given to you by organization. So let's see how you can apply for this. For you to apply for this, you need to head over to your website. I mean to your browser. Just get a browser of your choice. Applying for the grant is simple and straightforward. Here is a step guide for you to be helped and achieve the process. Let's go to your browser. I use my, for me, I'm using, today I'm going to use Firefox or Chrome. Step one, you have to visit your website like the way what we are doing. Click on Joy Giving Grant, or you can write there the Giving Joy website. The moment you write it there, this interface is going to come. The moment this interface comes, right away go and click first to read through. When you read through, let's go together and see. When you go to this interface, you're going to get, okay, you just go to Giving Joy, click there. When you click there, like what I'm doing, is there are different website that will come, Giving Joy, but click on this one. When you click on this, is the first interface that will come. It's written Giving Joy was highlighted in Success Magazine. Read the article here. This is the one that is there. And when you go there, you'll see they will tell you right now the quarter is closed. There are two quarters that we are going to be seeing, of which it closed last month, but another one is going to open, which whereby I want you to prepare your application such that you can get this one. On Giving Joy, what do we do? This is the interface, who we are, grant application, and news and reports. I want you to scroll down on this. don't fail. You just scroll and read through. You're going to see that if your dreams do not scare you, then you're not big enough. This is what I always tell you. When you come here, they tell you apply for a micro grant here. Before you apply for micro grant, let me tell you guys, there are two annual grant circles in a year for this. The first one is called, it is called spring grant, and the second one is called it is called summer grant. Summer grant has just closed, but we are waiting for the spring grant very soon. So what we do, let's know exactly how to apply for this and be prepared that that time is going to come. We'll just jump in. There are many questions that I know most of you want to ask about this. For example, others are asking question like, how can I submit my grant? This one you have to submit through the website. You cannot send by email. Who can apply for giving joy grant? It is another question that you need to know, and it is only women who are above 18 years. Then, do I have to own a business for me to apply? This one is no. You don't need to own a business to apply for this. You can be having an idea, you can be having a draft of your project, the paper. Are the grants limited to specific field? Absolutely no. You can propose activities in any field as long as things are the business and the projects are not illegal. Then they say, what is the duration of the grant? The grant period is 6 months. So whatever you're going to be planning to write your proposal of your project, of your business, you should be showing only 6 months, not more than 6 months. Then they continue and emphasize some things on a grant application. They say you have to make sure that all the fields are filled, as we're going to see the way the application looks like. So let's dive in and see how the application looks like. You scroll up and come to this apply for micro grant. Click there. The moment you click there, another interface of application is going to come. It is very simple and straightforward. You are not going to beat around the bush. They are going to ask you about your names, the first and the second, your email, then your phone numbers, and the preferably WhatsApp number, then your mailing address. Here you're going to ask, are you from which country are you? By the way, this grant is for everyone. There is no limitation as far as your country is concerned. So you go to this Dropbox and click on your country. Like here, I'll click Uganda here. Then you continue address 1, address 2, and your city. Then from there, you are going to go to your website. They'll ask you about your website. And after your website, of course, you're going to fill everything in terms of postal code, and also in terms of who you are. Who you are determines what you're going to talk about yourself. Who you are, I can give you, for example, if they ask me who Christine is, I'm not going to go and talk about my family background and what. No, I'll talk about my strength. I talk about the project I'm running, position do I hold there. So that is a highlight of what you should do. And who you are should not go beyond 800 characters. Then they're going to ask you about your Facebook and Instagram link. Do you know the reason why they always ask this? Because it shows exactly, tell me about your they used to say, tell me about your friend and I tell you about your character. But now the life of technology is, tell me about your link on social media and I'll tell about who you are and about your characters. So you go and put your links, then you rush down and what is your business organization idea for a new business organization. So here you're going to tell them exactly what the idea is and what you intend to do. Also, it is in 800 characters. All of them are 800 characters. Then what social benefit and impact do you think the organization is going to have? When they talk about social impact, they are talking about how are you going to impact your surrounding, your community. Like, for example, if I'm talking about the one I'm going to, if I get money as Immaculate Show, how am I going to impact the public? One, I'm going to increase the outreaches. Two, I'm going to increase I'm going to increase also the productive meetings to make sure that I teach people and they should know what they have to do about their mindset as far as income is concerned. I'm giving you the highlight about the then they are going to ask you, if awarded a 500 grant, for example, what are you going to do with these funds? In this one calls for your project plan. And that's why I'm giving you as early as this. You're supposed to write a project plan. You include what you want to do with this, including what you need to know why they will not fund. Please don't include in your project plan like purchase of merchandise, stock, advertising, or marketing for personal use. No, they need to see what would you do if these funds are available to you apart from these things like buying merchandise. Please include an item list of specific costs and expenses related to your idea for the grant. Why do you get this grant? Because you want to uplift, to work on your project. So there is a reason why you want this project for. Now include the specific items that you would going to spend on when you get this 500 grant. Based on idea and activities you're proposing, how many women, families, and communities will be impacted by the grant? You can provide estimated. Now this one calls for you to know how to write a project proposal. When they talk about estimate, it means in your project you should be having the timeline, and the timeline you should also having the people that you're going to impact. Like for example, you need to say by the end of this month, I should have impacted 100 ladies aged between this and this, in this and the other. This is what you should know. Why should we select you and your project? This one you need to go deep and say, why do you think your project need to be selected? Here you're going to describe the need. You're going to describe the solution that you're going to give to the public as far as women are concerned. So you need to be a problem solver, as I always tell you. So, guys, this is the highlight of the application. You'll continue and then apply for a micro grant at the end of it. So, let's come and again now tell you about the best practices. Now that you know that you can easily get this application at any, I mean, this grant at any time, what are the successful tips that you need you guys to do this? Almost I've already covered them, but let me highlight them for you. They are like two, three. To boost your chances of securing this money, this $500 and above, there are some tips that I put down. One, you need to focus on the impact. You can see that you want to see how are you going to impact these ladies? How are you going to impact your community as far as women is concerned? The more clear you are to demonstrate the positive impact of your project, the better chances of receiving this funding. Then the second one is being authentic. The Giving Joy Grant is looking to support genuine efforts that align with their mission of empowering women and communities. So share your stories, share your passion, and share your authenticity. At least you should not be like the people who sit down. We can sit down and make project proposals, but how authentic are they? Then the third one, don't rush. Take your time, complete the application carefully. Proofread your submission to avoid any mistake that could hurt your chances. You guys, that's why I'm bringing it a bit early, that if you know you've never had it from before, we've ever brought it here some months back. Now I brought it back such that you can sit down and know how to make your project plan, how to make your application very well. Familiarize yourself with it such that the moment they open it like this, you jump on it. Securing more than $500 from this Joy Grant is within your reach, people, and my reach. If you follow these steps and apply for with confidence like the way I've taught you, this grant has already helped a number of thousands of women, and you could be the next. Because if they help women, it means the families are children are helped, men are helped. As mothers and women, what we do. If you find this video, you guys, helpful, don't forget to like it. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to subscribe. For more tips, you guys follow Immaculate Show. We bring for you the tips of making money without putting any investment on a daily basis. Catch us also on Facebook, on Instagram, and on TikTok. See you